especially for this event, which is the Mediterranean Food Festival. It's something which is a little different from your regular thing that you would normally know what Mediterranean cuisine is all about. So that's the whole idea, to do something with a bit of a twist. So chef will of course take you through the specific dishes that the menu has to offer.
It is more of a gathering when everyone comes around, eats on the table. Whereas what I'll be doing today, I have few influences from Mediterranean, from Italian cuisine, Spanish cuisine. I've got few influences from the Arabic cuisine, which we'll be presenting to you all. It'll be having a little twist. It is not like the more comfortable to us, the Indian and the Oriental kind of cuisine, but this has a more flavor profile. I mean, my personal belief is to use an ingredient from head to toe. So the trimmings and the top and the inside, the stuffing, everything has to be used within the cuisine itself, within the product.